Hello viewers, today we are going to learn how to install Ubuntu on your Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now let us proceed. Now first of all, on your taskbar, search Windows features on your taskbar. Next, you click on Turn Windows Features on and off. When you click on it, the Windows menu, Turn Features up and down, would appear. Scroll down. Next, select the checkbox beside Windows Subsystem for Linux to turn it on. Then click OK to apply. Next, wait for the changes to apply. Now you will notice that after that, Windows will want you to restart the system. It is advisable that you click restart now so that the system will restart. Open Windows Store. In the Windows Store environment, search Ubuntu. Then select Ubuntu 22.04.2 LTS. Now click Get to download. Wait for the file to download. It is going to take a while. Then after click Open to install. For me, I noticed an error message. The Windows system for Linux has not been installed. If you get such error, this is what you should do. You should go back to your desktop and search Turn Windows Features on and off. When the Windows menu open again, Windows Features, Turn Windows Features open on and off. When it opens again, check Hyper-V. Also scroll down and also check SMB file sharing support. After you've checked these two checks, click OK. Next, you go back to your Windows Store, search Ubuntu, Ubuntu, you will see your already downloaded Ubuntu file. Click open for it to install. It will take you to the Linux environment where Ubuntu will be installed. You are advised to create a new Unix username and password. Go ahead and create your new Unix username and password. Do make sure that they are in small letters, as I have done here, and click enter. Now your Ubuntu is now fully installed. Go ahead and enter your Ubuntu commands and enjoy. That is how to install Ubuntu in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Thank you for watching. Do like our page and follow for more